So welcome everyone. Today we're here to talk about the Jumping Sumo by Parrot. It would be one of the new mini drones that they just came up with. And well, we have two units here. And the first one that we're going to talk about is going to be about this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the box and we're going to see everything that is inside the box. As you can see, it's pretty much an indoor-outdoor. You can drive it at 4.5 miles per hour. It jumps. I think that would be a pretty unique feature. And in comparison to the other drones, the battery actually lasts 20 minutes, which is kind of nice for a live video. And one of the things that we see here on the side is that you can remove the battery. There's a jumping system. And you can personalize it, so you can put the stickers that you like on it. So let's go ahead and open up the Jumping Sumo. Right here on the bottom you see the two seals, and those ones pretty much mean that the unit is brand new. So if you buy it online or in a retail location, you want to make sure that these two seals are in there. So let's go ahead and have a blade. Let's open one seal. Let's open the second one. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box. And as you can see, the first thing that I see would be the 3 stickers to personalize the Jumping Sumo. And inside the box we have the mini drone. It looks pretty fancy. Look at those wheels. The material on the wheels is like a gummy material. Like, it feels pretty soft. And then in the front part you have the camera, you have the 2 lights, you have the jumping system. So this is like a rubberish thing that you use it to actually jump. That would be the section on the battery. And inside the box we have the charging cable, which is a micro USB. You have the instruction manual, which is right here. How to set it up and how to use it. And I noticed that it comes with 2 stuck in there, but it comes with 2 little rubber bases so that the Jumping Sumo can jump. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. And that's pretty much everything it comes with. So this would be video number 1 on the Jumping Sumo, and we'll have different videos about how to use it. We'll record a few things and we'll do some competitions between 2 of them. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up with the Jumping Sumo.